My name is Chuck Conkle, CIS professor, and I'm going to show you some things to help you get started with RVC Eagle. When you log into Eagle, you'll notice on the left courses you're teaching. I'm just going to show you how to set up your course content for delivery as far as structure goes on this podcast. So you'll notice in Eagle there is a lessons folder. In that lessons folder is how you're going to set up the content for students to view your lessons for the course you're teaching. And as I already said, I do recommend the lesson makeup by folder. Put the beginning date of that each week. It'll show up for the students to view. I'll go into one of the current weeks here. The way I set up most of my weeks is an announcement for that week, exercises, and discussion for this course. This announcement is a YouTube video that's been posted. It's also on iTunes U as well. Dropbox, instructions for the assignment, and then you'll see here some students have already submitted, and I've already graded some that have been submitted. When they log in, they'll only see their submittal and the grade that you've given them with any comments. Week discussion is a popular, or discussion is a popular thing to add as well. Here students can post, I have a question, and then they post their responses to that question, and it's also gradable as well. And then lastly, I'll show you how to add content in your folder once you've created it with a date for the beginning of that week. And I believe I did Mondays of each week. You can click add content. Here's the content available to the lessons folder. You'll notice you can do a lesson plan. Folder is the one I use. Web page, web link, a file. Dropbox. Here's where you can actually assign assignments with instructions. They actually attach it to the Dropbox, and it is gradable. And then there's also other ones available, such as discussion forum, which I use in this course. So to recap, when you're setting up your course, I recommend setting it up in folder format in your lessons area. And one last thing, you can also post in that lessons folder beginning course content document, a syllabus, any how-tos as well. So that concludes the podcast for how to set up your RVC Eagle lessons for your courses.